Welcome back everybody. A bit of a long break. Unfortunately, I managed to get a chest infection last year, followed by COVID, which took me a long time to recover from. And on top of that, started a new job all at the same time. So didn't have much time for modelling. This is a video really on service cradles. For many years I've been using the Peco service cradle, which has served me well. But one of the things I find with it is that it doesn't really hold the loco very well. I'll show you what I mean. The loco doesn't tend to fit in the cradle. If you take the body off and then put the chassis in, then you can work on it. But then you're left with somewhere to put the top down. So what I've purchased recently, not really had a chance to use, is an ESU service cradle. Didn't know they made them. Found this on Coastal DCC website, which is a Ipswich-based UK supplier. It was just under £20, and it comes with two foam sections and a lightly magnetised strip in the middle. It also has some cutouts here, so you can actually extend it and make it into a larger surface cradle. There's some instructions on the back for that. Hopefully you can see that. And this is presumably how they intend to use it. Need to put that bit of pipe back. So it can be safely secured to the body while you work on the chassis, or alternatively you can put your body there and work on the chassis upside down. This is a Hornby Class 56 that I'm working on, just stripping it down, grease and service and lubricating. An eBay, I'm sure there are other auctions, purchase as a non-runner. So I should try and get this back into normal running condition. The magnetic strip is just really there to stop your small body screws from rolling away, which is handy. Otherwise, when you're using the old type cradle, there's nowhere to put it. So I should continue and try and get this locomotive back into running condition. Another purchase I made was a resin 3D printer. I'm new to resin 3D printing, and these are some parts I've downloaded off Thingiverse and attempted to print out. I'm still working on them. It's getting better. And what I plan to do is a weathering video shortly after this one, just find some spare time. Thank you for the subscribers sticking with me, and I wish you all a prosperous new year and trust you had a good Christmas. Catch you on the next one.